Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can set up automatic payment for Citibank credit card. In order to set up an automatic payment for Citibank credit card, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log into your account. So for that, go ahead and open up a browser and type in citibank.com, and that is going to take you through the official page, and then log into your account. When you're logged in, go to the payment section and click on manage auto payment. After that, you need to go ahead and link a bank account to your Citi card account, or else you could also add a new payment account or leave this page, or you could also go ahead and add a new payment method. After you're done adding a payment method, then you'll be able to select the payment preferences, whether it's a payment type, that is last statement balance, minimum payment due, or others. Then if you're done selecting that, click the continue button. Next, you need to read the terms and condition and click on enroll, as you've successfully enrolled in autopay. So that is how you could set up an autopay or automatic payment for the Citibank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.